Hello! On this video, I will show you how to reschedule your single class and monthly classes and how to cancel a single class too and what is the difference. Let's start with rescheduling a single class. We're going to click on menu. We are going to go to your member area. If you don't see your member area, you probably need to log in, okay? After login, then you're going to hit on my bookings, and here you're going to see all your classes. So like you can see, this single class is for February the 9th at 10 a.m. Zumba Gold. We are going to click on manage, and here you see the option of book again, reschedule and cancel. We're going to reschedule first. In here, you're going to select a different date. Okay, so let's move the calendar forward. We already got Monday the 9th, so we want a different day. Let's move forward again. Let's select Monday 16. Here we go. And you can see you can hit reschedule. Are you sure you want to reschedule this class for the 16th of February at 10? Yes. Confirm. And there you go, guys. So now my class got a different day, February 16 of 2026. Now I will show you how to cancel this class. Okay, let's start from the beginning. So let's go on to the home page. Okay, so we are at the home page and you want to cancel a single class. Let's hit the menu again. Let's go to your member area, my bookings. Let's click manage. And here we can cancel. Let's press cancel. And here it's gonna give you an option as well if you want to cancel or reschedule as well. What is the difference? So you can reschedule a single class 12 hours before your class start. But if you cancel, you basically open up a space for somebody else, but you're losing your money. Okay, because our policy, there is no refunds. You can read the full policy and terms and conditions available before you booking. So that is the difference. So you can now cancel the class if you want to confirm that, or you can reschedule. And there you go, guys. Now my booking is canceled. That's gonna open up a space for somebody else. Now I will show you how to reschedule your monthly classes. First of all, you need to understand how the system works. When you buy a monthly packet of 4 classes or 3 classes or 8 classes, we got a packet of 8 classes, you need to select each class individual after you get the packet. In this case, we got Monday classes for February. We got the packet of 4. What we're going to do now is book those 4 classes individually. Let's press join a class. Because I got the packet of Monday, I'm gonna go with Monday. Book now. Check next availability. And we're going to book the 9th of February. So next. And here you're going to log in. So once you log in, all your details are going to be already filled there. It's going to save you time. You can see here I'm going to use my packet of 4 classes. You can press here. You got 4 classes. Let's press that one. Or you can just leave it there and carry on. And let's book this class. There we go. We have our first classes book. Let's book the other 3. So continue booking. Like you can see, the price is 0. So we're not paying extra payment because we are using the packet of 4 classes. Let's book the second one. Join a class. Monday. We select the next day. So we're not going to book the same day here now. We're going to book the following week. Monday 16, so a different day, different week. Next, scroll the way down, book. Now we have our second class book. Let's book the next one. Continue booking. The total is 0 again because we are using the packet of 4. We got 2 more classes, so you got the idea. Now that we have all our 4 classes booked for the month, In case that you need to reschedule in the future, you can now. Okay, so we're going to go to the menu, member area, my bookings, and here it's going to take you again to all your classes. In this case, on the month, we're going to have 4 classes. You can now reschedule each class if you need to in case of an emergency, or you can cancel and open up a space. Okay, so we can press manage, reschedule, and this is going to take you to the calendar. In the calendar, we can move forward and reschedule to any different date that you need to. Then you want to hit reschedule, confirm that you want to make these changes, and that's going to change your class. You're going to get an email confirmation and a text as well. How to cancel monthly classes? Well, it's the same process as single. So once you book a single class, then you can go to the menu, my bookings, and here you can select the class that you are going to cancel. I'm going to cancel, for example, February the 9th, manage, cancel, and here's going to give you the option to either cancel or reschedule it. Again, you can reschedule a class 12 hours before the class starts. Otherwise, you can cancel and it's going to open up a space for somebody else, but you are going to miss your payment. Okay, hopefully this video helped you to understand how to cancel, how to reschedule your classes without any issues. And the wonderful part is that you can do it yourself anytime, any day, as long as you have internet. Okay, I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.